Welcome to the Managing Noise Hazards in the Workplace module, which has been designed to raise awareness about the importance of protecting your hearing.
A boat used in the fishing or aquaculture industry is an inherently noisy environment due to the presence of multiple noise sources, such as engines, generators, winches, refrigeration units, and air conditioners, some of which are in almost constant operation at sea. The problem with noise is it can be hazardous to your hearing if exposure is excessive, frequent, or persistent, and may result in permanent hearing loss. There is currently no treatment available to reverse the effects of noise-induced hearing loss. To address the problem of noise, the hierarchy of controls can guide the application of various measures to reduce the noise hazard. In order of most effective to least effective control measures, the hierarchy of controls are: elimination, substitution, isolation, engineering, and administrative controls, and personal protective equipment or PPE. Elimination is the most effective control, so the first step is to consider if you can eliminate the source of noise. However, while it is obvious that elimination of the noise removes the hazard and risk to hearing, this is often not a practical option on a boat. The same can be said for substitution, isolation, and engineering controls, which can generally only be applied by the boat owner or skipper, usually during refit or other extended period when the boat is not working. The introduction of administrative controls, such as training and awareness of hazardous noise, can be easily implemented at relatively low cost. This includes the introduction of a boat policy requiring the mandatory wearing of personal protective equipment, such as earplugs or muffs, when entering an engine room or other area where noise hazards have been identified. It also includes a requirement for training individuals in the use of this equipment. Finally, if noise hazards cannot be reduced to a safe level, individuals should take responsibility and wear personal protective equipment, such as earplugs or muffs, that are suitable to reduce noise to an appropriate level. To conclude, in the absence of any other control to reduce a noise hazard, it is your responsibility to use personal protective equipment and protect yourself from any risk of hearing impairment. It is also the responsibility of the boat owner or skipper to administer the use of PPE to protect your hearing, by providing you hearing protection and training in the use of this equipment.
Well done. You have completed the Noise Hazards module. Now let's review the material we have covered.